machine to check.
Sure.
Whenever you're ready.
There you go.
So, what are the products, innovative products that you are showcasing at Intex, and are you launching any?
Yeah, actually, we've used this platform to launch really, I guess, 3 new products to the Indian market. So we have a new MX7 Ultra, which is really tailored towards high precision, end mill production. We have a new nanometer control system, which is really giving us the ability to control our machines down to 1 nanometer. So to give you an idea, the speed at which your fingernails grow is 1 nanometer per second. So we're able to control down to that level of resolution. And what does that correlate to is obviously we're able to produce very, very accurate tools with a really superior surface fit. So we're introducing that here at MTEX, and it's actually been good. I think the Indian cutting tool industry is evolving at a rapid rate, and these types of tools are going to be coming into more demand. So it's good to show that. We've got the other machines as well. We've got 3 other machines, 3 new technologies. So we have the FX5E, so that's a new entry-level machine. So a lot of customers that are going from a manual tool shop into their first CNC, this is a good stepping stone. So they have the kind of entry-level machine, so the FX5E, and then our CPX, which is a blank grinding machine. So 3 new machines to the Indian market, which is good. It's exciting to show new technology.
So how was this product innovations and technology which you have done propel your organization?
Look, India now is actually the 3rd largest market by volume for ANCA worldwide. So we see the Indian market evolving at such a rapid rate. We need to continue to be showing innovative products, and that's really the idea here at MTEX, is to continue to show the Indian cutting tool industry some new things that we're producing, and it's been giving us that chance to meet the customers face to face.
So the manufacturing industry is rapidly transforming with some disruptive technologies like the Industry 2.0, additive manufacturing. So what are the steps taken by your organization to stay in line with this?
Look, ANCA as a company, we're known for being innovative. We have to be that way. We have, like I mentioned, the nanometer control system. These are the demands of the market, and that's what we need to do. So, we are really at the forefront of that with the cutting tool industry. And we try to develop innovative products, to keep in front of them. I think, the Indian market is changing. I've been involved here since 2000, and to see the change, over this 25 years is at a breakneck speed. And I think, the move away from, say, China-based production now, we can clearly see the move into India, is underway. It's great to see.
What are your expectations or estimations for 2023 market-wise?
I think the outlook's really positive. Our financial year is June to July. Last financial year we had a record year here in India, and we are forecast again to break that this financial year. So year on year we're seeing really consistent growth. I think that's on the back of our team. We have a very strong support team here, and that's obviously a key focus for us in the Indian market, or any market, is really to support our customers. But the Indian market is quite resilient compared to other areas or compared to other regions. And the growth is there, and it's in different sectors: automotive, aerospace. We're now starting to see pockets in the medical industry. So our spread is across these markets, and they're all quite resilient and strong, which is a good sign for India. I think Indian manufacturing in general.
Thank you.